Están completos.
Oh.
Okay, I'm eating it now.
No, good. Good job. Was it good?
No.
No.
Let's see, number 5. A new pen. Oh, interesting. That's nothing. It's not open. It's bad. Yeah, it's not fresh. What is it? I'm gonna show them first. You don't say nothing. What is it? I'm saying that's good. But it's not. That's good. He doesn't like it. Oh, I love. No, you need to have a spoon. Take a spoon.
What are the spoons? You have one. Did you break the spoon?
Maybe. How can you not like mushrooms?
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, don't smell it. Just eat it. Yeah, it tastes good, doesn't it? Oh, I love it.
No, you can't. I puke because of the cat food. I can eat one of those.
Oh my gosh, she's literally crying. She's getting tears.
No.
How can you not like mushrooms?
No.
No, it's fine. Good dog, she's fine. She's crying, baby. Huh, put it in there. Check this color. Oh, pink. Huh? This is the check. Huh? I can't eat that. It's like when you eat a pizza. Smell it. Swallow. It doesn't taste like anything. It's so disgusting. Did you say that it tastes like eggs? She said it doesn't taste like anything. That's why you need to swallow. That's good. Pizza. Pizza. What's the name? I'm going to finish it. Please swallow it. If you can. Drink the bowl. It's not nice. Please. This is hilarious. I'm dying. So this one is not. Just let her spit it out. You didn't have the cat food in your mouth. Let's try chickens. She had it over there.
I want to be the challenge. You only took like good stuff. Besides the cat food.
Number 3. How did that happen?
I have no idea. But you have
that
to
can't. No, I know. No.
You said it.
No,
you did
I
the rule.
can't.
You rule.
But there wasn't anything left. Two, 1, go.
Stop it.
Oh, it's bad.
What?
2.5. 3. What are you doing? That's not how you open a can.
I got it in. Okay, that counts.
I got it in my eye. Oh,
It's like porotos.
porotos.
It is porotos.
It's porotos.
I don't like my mom makes me eat porotos when she does. Because I don't eat.
Beans.
Yeah.
It's just beans.
But I say porotos.
Porotos.
It's
Porotos comen
white
las
beans,
frutas.
people, for you who doesn't understand Spanish.
What?
Porotos.
It's
He's
porotos.
spitting it.
Take it as a sponsor to come, bro.
Son las porotas de Dios.
Los porotos blancos.
Los porotos. Estos son los porotos que te hacen
Prueba
tirarte
algo
pedos.
nuevo.
Prueba algo nuevo, los porotos de pedos.
¿Quieres bajar de pedo?
¿Qué, papá?
Prueba los porotos.
Míralas, míralas, el papel.
El papel.
El papel.
Number 10. I'm scared of tasting this.
Oh, finally someone has the last cat.
No.
It's the Asian shit. We don't even know what it is. It may be
I don't even know how to
poop or like mustard or something. Like
It isn't
something
mustard.
weird.
It's not, because it's like
It's something
water.
with bird. I don't want to eat
It's
a bird.
maybe
Can you
it's
open?
pigeon poop. Pigeon poop. Yeah, I think it's
It's
pigeon.
more beans.
It's a pigeon
Wait,
on
I
it.
get all the beans.
I think it's like pigeon poop.
It's not spoiling this now.
Här får du snabbspola så det kokar.
Okay. It's like water.
Ew, it's like water. Ew. What?
It's cabbage.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh no, but that's really good. I love that. It's like vegetables that's like sour and it's really good. It tastes like pickles, but like in
Isn't it the same thing as that?
no, definitely not.
What? It's on me. It's always on me. Why? Shit.
Okay, I'm gonna eat this.
It's not bad.
I'm drinking the sauce.
It's not bad.
I thought it
I
was
don't
gonna be
taste anything.
mustard.
It tastes bad.
Oh yes, it does.
What?
I really hope you liked that. So subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, I really hope you liked that because we ate some gross things and we're gonna have bad dreams with the cat food or anything. Okay, hope you liked that. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment. See ya. Bye.